Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Sensis DWI0113FSDW Integrated Dishwasher. I have to read the model number off for the energy label because there's no way I'm going to try and remember that all in one go. Anyway, I'm going to show you this integrated dishwasher today by Sensis, and what I want to do today is to show you around the dishwasher, some of the features and benefits that it offers. Just before I start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up. Looking on the inside of the dishwasher first, you've got 13 place settings on this model, so very good value for money against the place settings that this model offers. You can adjust the height of the basket if you want to, so rather than having handles on the side like some other dishwashers, all you need to do is just pull it up and then that will drop down, and then same, just raise it up and then it drops back into the higher position. That can be really good if you've got, say, tall glasses at the top, or especially if you've got things like tall plates at the bottom, then you can just adjust the top basket. That can be a really good option. So if you've got things like tall glasses at the top or even tall plates at the bottom, you can adjust the height of the top basket, and even when it's full, it's nice and easy to do, because with some manufacturers you need to take the top basket out and relocate the wheels, which can be really frustrating. You've also got these two parts on the side, so if you wanted just to fold these down, then they clip into place to get them out of the way. But if you wanted to use them, then they can be really good for things like little espresso cups or even the long bread knives. As we go to the bottom, you'll see that you've got a full stainless steel interior. Now this is something I always recommend in a dishwasher. Some brands are going towards like a cheap plastic or polynox base or full interior, and although it may save them money, it's never as good as a full stainless steel interior. The main advantage of full stainless is that it's a lot stronger, so if you do drop something on it, which we've had customers do in the past, then all it might do is provide a little dent at the bottom rather than cracking it, which you can do on a plastic interior. It's nice and easy when it comes to maintenance. All you need to do is just, to fill the salt, all you need to do is take the lid off, pop your dishwasher salt in there. Also, filter wise, you just twist that and the filter comes out, and same as this part. So just give those a rinse under warm water, make sure they're nice and clean, and locate them back in place, twist it, then you're ready to go. As far as the bottom spray arm, that comes off easily, so again when it comes to cleaning, that's a really good design by Sensis. The cutlery basket is quite a standard design of cutlery basket. On this one you've actually got, it's almost like a cage on top where you can actually separate everything, so you could separate your knives, forks and spoons. I suppose the main advantage is that the items should be a lot cleaner if you keep them separate. If you don't want to do that, then you can just take that off and you can use it like a standard traditional cutlery basket. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of these. I just think it takes a lot longer to load everything and unload it, but that's always personal choice. When it comes to putting the tablet or the gel pouch in, depending on which one you use, you just press the button on top, pop it in and then clip it shut. On the right hand side here you've got the rinse aid. Now it is recommended to use rinse aid within the dishwasher. Rather than relying on, say, the 3-in-1 or 4-in-1 tablets where they provide salt and rinse aid in there, I'd always recommend using separate salt and separate rinse aid to provide a better washing performance. Now something that's quite unique on this dishwasher that not many integrated dishwashers have is a sliding door mechanism. Now this can be really good if you've got, say, taller doors like some kitchen manufacturers have. So what it would do, and I'll just show you this in action, as you can see, as I shut the door is sliding up. Now that's something that can be really useful, again, if you've got taller doors in your kitchen. To switch the dishwasher on, you just press the button on the left hand side here. And what you've got 4 programs on this machine. Now the first one is the Eco program, so P1 on the left hand side. Now it doesn't have a display on the inside like some dishwashers do, so I'll just run through some of the programs and how long they take. So this one is quite a standard program for normally soiled dishes, but it does have reduced energy and water consumption. So this program will take about 3.5 hours approximately, but it only consumes around 0.9 kilowatt hours of energy, and also it consumes around 12 litres of water. To move on to the next program, all you need to do is press the P button and it toggles between P1, P2, P3 and then P4 to let you know which one it's on. So the next one, this is the Smart 50 to 70 degree program, And what this will do is this will adjust the temperature between 50 and 70 degrees depending on how soiled the items are. So this can take between an hour and a half to 2 hours approximately, and it could consume between 1.5 to 1.7 kilowatt hours of energy, and also water consumption could be between 12 and 17 litres of water, but that very much depends on how soiled everything is inside. The next program, so as you go into P3, this is the Super 50, and with this one, this is suitable for normally soiled daily dishes, and it's a faster program than normal, so it's only 50 minutes, which is always really good if you're in a hurry. It will consume around 1.1 kilowatt hours of energy and consume around 12 litres of water. The next one, and the final program, is the pre-wash, and this is suitable for rinsing dishes that you plan to wash later. So it's not really a main wash program. It only takes around 15 minutes and it will consume around 4.5 litres of water. The next option on here is the half load option, and that's only suitable for certain programs. So if you were using some of the main wash programs on the left hand side here, and if everything you're washing isn't that dirty, if you only had a smaller load in here, press the half load button, and what that will do is that will decrease the wash time and also the amount of water and energy that is used. The final button on the right hand side here is the time delay, so you can delay the start of the program by either 3, 6 or 9 hours, and that could be really good if you've got things like economy 7 where you've got cheap electricity during the night, or if you just want to delay the start of the program. You've also got a couple of indicators on the side here to tell you when to reload the salt or rinse aid. Just show the energy label on the dishwasher. As you can see, it's an E energy rating. Now initially you might think, well, that's not that great, but if you're comparing it to other dishwashers, especially at this sort of price, then that's actually very good. It's just showing that it's 94 kilowatt hours per 100 cycles. Obviously that depends on the programs that you're using, that will always vary. At this time of recording, Sensis are quite a new brand in the UK, exclusive to Euronics retailers like ourselves, and it comes with a 3-year warranty, parts and labour, which personally I think is really good, especially within this price range. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Sensis DWI0113FSDW Integrated Dishwasher. I'm never going to try and remember that model number. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video on that dishwasher. If you're thinking of purchasing one, I've provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Ideally, I'd like you to purchase from us at Lords Electrical, but as mentioned, this brand is exclusive to Euronics retailers across the UK. So if you're not within Leicestershire or the Rugby area, then I'd go onto euronics.co.uk, put your postcode in, and you can find a retailer near you to purchase one of these dishwashers. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining me today.